What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dave and this is Hudson Motor Visuals. Today we're in the garage and I have one question for you guys. Have you ever lost your key fob for the Harley? I have. I did find it in the end, but I have lost it. Actually, short story, I actually was working on the bike one day. My friend called me, said, hey, let's go get something to eat. And I said, sure. I didn't know I left the key on the ground next to the bike. It started right up and I left. After we ate, I realized I didn't have my key. So, I didn't know the PIN number that Harley sets on here for your bike. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find out what your PIN is and also how to reset your PIN. So, if you do lose your key, at least you could start your bike until you get to the Harley dealer and get a new key fob. Let's get into it. All right, so we're on the bike. I'm going to show you real quick how to find out what your PIN number is. So first, make sure you have the key fob on you. This won't work if you don't have the key fob on you to find out what your PIN is. So before we start anything, you're going to make sure your run switch is in the off position. All right. So what you're going to do is you're going to turn your ignition to the ignition position here. All right. And what you're going to do next is you're going to press down on this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and double tap your left blinker. Now it's saying enter PIN. So after it's done all that and it says enter PIN, you're going to take your right blinker and you're going to press it. And that is your PIN number to start the bike. Now for video's sake, I changed it to 11111. Usually, don't quote me on it, Harley from the factory, that is your PIN. And now most dealers, when they get the bike, they change the PIN to usually the last 5 digits of your VIN number. So if you're ever out on the road and you never reset your PIN, try those 2 numbers. If it's not, I can't help you. So we're in this position here where we can change our PIN number. All right, so you want to reset your PIN. What you're going to do is you're going to take your left blinker here and cycle through the numbers. And then if you want to go to the next number, you use the right blinker. Again, you use the right blinker to go to the next one. Now I set it to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once you're at the last number, you're going to hit the right blinker again. And then it's going to bring you back to the first, and you just hit in the off position. Now it reset back to your odometer. So I'm going to turn it off. So I'm going to take the key and we're just going to put it far away enough the bike doesn't read it. So we'll put it back by the toolbox here. So what you want to do first, make sure this is in the run position. And then you're going to turn this to the ignition position. Now it's freaking out, the little red light. You're going to say enter PIN. Where it says enter PIN, you're going to tap the left button. That's your first number. Now you want to cycle to the next number. You hit the right blinker. You put the next number in. and rinse and repeat. Now when you get to your last number, you're going to hit the right blinker. There you go, it started. So that's how you enter your PIN if you forgot your key. Or even if you lost your key, they'll get you down the road. So there you have it, guys. Just a quick little video on how to look up the PIN that's on the bike. Also how to use the PIN to start the bike. And hey, it'll save your life in a jam where you forget your key. Hey, sometimes it'll fall out of your pocket when you're riding. So I hope this video was very helpful for you. If you don't mind, please hit that like button. Also, hit that subscribe button. And if you do hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification. Every time I upload something, the good old YouTube will notify you if you hit that bell. So have a great day, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Beautiful day for riding. Let's get it. Oh, hey, what's going on, guys? You made it to the end of the video, but it's not over. I know you want to. Just click this video right here. Right. If not, just subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day.